Hey guys, today I'm back with these koi fish nails. I painted these for the hashtag Just a Hint of Colour challenge on Instagram, hosted by May Trees Nails. I hope I said that right. So please check her out. So the challenge was to paint a mani using mainly black, white and grey, like an old photo. But you have to add a pop of colour, so I decided the bright orange koi fish for my design. I also tried painting the design as if the sun was shining from the top left corner of my nail, and then diagonally the colours would get darker, like shading of the sun. It looks cool on the Stamper, but my small nails kind of ruined it. But oh well. Anyway, if you want to know how I did these, keep watching. So I started with my Moya London Suki plate and a black stamping polish. I just stamped the koi fish pattern. And I absolutely love this polish. It's a BB8 from Esmaltes de Kelly. And I just filled in the koi fish. It's lovely. It's this orange, but it's got a little shimmer of gold in it. I just love it. And it's BB8 as well. BB8 is so cute. So here I am, just using a light grey in that top left hand corner, like I said. And then going across the nail, I'm just painting with a darker grey. Only slightly. And then I just painting with that same polish on the other side of the fish. And then with an even darker grey polish, I painted the bottom corner. So here I am with a really dark grey, almost black polish. I painted my nail. And then with a sponge and a glossy top coat, I just applied it and gently dabbed that on my nail to create a sticky base. And stamped that on. And then with a dotting tool, I'm just digging out the bits of polish I don't need. And after some clean up, I applied a smudge resistant top coat. And then I thought I'd apply a matte top coat because it looked cooler. And there you go, these koi fish nails. If you like these, give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and subscribe. Subscribe would be good. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!